video. So this video is the first time I am attempting doing a silk press. I've never done a silk press in the 8 years of being natural. It is the holiday season, so I'm going to give it a shot and see how the outcome will come out. I am gonna do something a little bit different. I'm going to use curl formers in my hair and then I'm gonna blow it out because I have 4 type hair, pretty much B and C, and any time in the past that I have done or tried doing flat ironing my hair, not necessarily a silk press, but it's never come out really flat. But with that being said, in this video I'm going to predominantly use Meille products. I bought their silk press bundle, so we're gonna really just see how that looks on my hair, how that works on my hair, and just see what the end results are going to be. So I'm really excited about this process, so let's just jump right into it. Okay y'all, so these are all the Meille products I'm using. In the back I'm going to be using this tea tree mousse I've never used before, and these are the curl formers that I'm going to be using. I got them off of Amazon. So this is the shampoo. I'm sorry y'all, I didn't put it in screen, but that was the shampoo, and this is the deep conditioner. So I'm rinsing my hair, making it all wet, and I'm putting the shampoo throughout my hair. This is the scrub-a-dub-dubber for my scalp to make sure I've really cleansed my scalp, because you know this has to be very clean in order to do a silk press. Now this is another one that I used that had more teeth, and then this is the gentler one that has like the rubber, and I'm scrubbing like crazy. So now this is the second part. I shampoo my hair twice, so it's very sudsy, okay, and I'm getting in that bitch, because again, when it comes to the silk press, you gotta make sure everything is clean, and I'm putting it all throughout my hair, okay. And the great thing about my hair and this shampoo is I can actually rake it through. Now we're rinsing it on out, baby, making sure it is all nice and clean. And look at the sparkles in my hair. So now we're putting in deep conditioner. I love this deep conditioner. It is so great. One of the biggest things that I'm going to sit here and tell y'all, if you cannot comb through your hair when you have deep conditioner in, there's 2 reasons. One, that is because the deep conditioner isn't working for your hair, or 2, you need to trim your ends. And be gentle when you go through parting your hair, you know what I'm saying? Like, be gentle when you do it, as well. Always starting from the end, going to the root, because we are here for length retention, okay? We want the hair to grow down to our ass crack, okay? And me just acting crazy. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it up in a little bun, because we're going to put on the shower cap, and we're going to do a deep conditioner, okay, under the hooded dryer. And that's how much hair I lost. Yeah, next step. So now I'm going to sit under my hooded dryer for a good 20 minutes and let it marinate. Okay, so we just sat under the hooded dryer for 20 minutes. We played this game. So now I'm going to head back into the shower, rinse this out, and put in my hydration conditioner, which I love. Okay, if you are 4 type, I'm telling you, this product is everything. Then after I do that, I'm gonna let it sit in my hair for a good 15 minutes as well. But I'm not gonna sit under the hooded dryer for that one. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I will. We'll see. So I'm gonna sit back under my hooded dryer for another, I want to say like 20 minutes again, and then I'm gonna get in the shower and just like actually take a shower and everything. I have to charge my phone because my phone's about to die, so I'm gonna let that charge, because we gonna get the whole thing. We're gonna play some music, and we're gonna be using that mousse. That is the mousse I'm using. I'm just vibing out real quick. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm just feeling the vibes. So this is the heat protectant that I'm using. I'm putting it on my damp hair before I put on the mousse. Okay, so I'm sectioning my hair right now, and I'm going to show you how I do my curl formers. So I put too much mousse, I realize, okay, but I will sit here and say it felt really good on my hair. So now this is how I do the curl formers. I'm going to show you in the next clip real quick on how I actually do it. So I'm twisting it a little bit, and then I'm finding the hook, I'm wrapping it around that twist, and then I'm pulling that up, and then I'm going to go to the top, hold it, and pull it on through. Okay, that's how I do my curl formers, and I kind of stretch it because sometimes the hair doesn't like go down all the way. But here's the part where I'm pretty much finished. I look like, I don't know, a crazy lovely lady. But yeah, these are all the curl formers that I have in, and those are the products that I used. I just finished putting in the curl formers, so now I'm gonna sit back under my hooded dryer. It's 11:20. Let me see what time is. Oh, so it's 11:24. And I'm gonna sit under the hooded dryer for at least an hour, because that's how long it usually takes for my hair to dry under the hooded dryer. But I might add on like another 10 minutes just because I want to make sure everything is really, really dry, and then it will be the flat ironing process. See y'all in a little bit. Okay, so here is the flat ironing process. My hair is dry. Okay, we want to make sure it's all dry because we don't want any wet parts. That hour and 15 minutes was perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to put some of my hair up, and I'm bringing my Revlon brush and I'm butching that bitch through. Okay, I cleaned off my Revlon brush, like I actually took it apart to clean it, and this is the results. Okay, this is how our hair is looking after using the Revlon brush. Okay, so now here comes the flat ironing process. So I have a comb and I use a brush as well. So when I do my first pass, I do, I think, 3 passes. So I start at the root and I come on down. I forgot what flat iron this is. It's like Sudoku or something like that. And then I use my brush for the second pass. Yeah. And oh, you seen that drop? Oh my goodness, my hair has never done that. So yeah, I did about like 2 to 3 passes. I think it was 3 passes. But yeah, look at that length. Look at that length. Yeah, bitch. So that's what it's looking like. Okay, y'all, so this is the end result of my hair. I'm definitely going to be trimming my ends for sure, because they need to be trimmed. I will sit here and say this is actually by far the best that my hair has been. Like, my ends don't look crazy. But with that being said, I'm about to like figure out how I'm gonna wrap my hair. I have a bonnet that's like really long, so I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with my hair. I don't know, y'all. If you enjoyed this video and you learned something and you gonna get, you know, my silk bundle, because honestly, I'm not mad at it. This looks really, really good. Do not forget to leave that like button as well as subscribe to my channel. Love you goddesses, and see you next time.